3, let's go!
Filmed an intro yet, but now it's coming because we are going to be, but we are already in Croatia for work, and I thought I'm just gonna bring you with me and I'm gonna show you the house a bit, and it's so beautiful. I'm very excited for the next days.
I know you somewhere.
1, 2, 3.
So, as you already saw, we just arrived and we just checked out the villa and stuff, and it's very nice. It's like in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of nature. It's very beautiful, and I'm very happy. I'm very excited. We have some workshops the next couple days, and the boys are upstairs right now, and we might gonna check out the area today. I don't know, we'll see about that, but I'm very excited for the next couple days.
It's not like Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Basic bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. Gucci, Gucci, Louis, Louis, Fendi, Fendi, Prada. Basic bitches wear that shit, so...
Okay, let's go. So cute. First things first, for my Mags, a beertje and the water. Somehow I am not able to vlog with my camera right now because it doesn't work. I hope I will make it work again. But we are at the sea right now. We just grabbed some food and met Austrian guys, like an Austrian man. He gave us a tip where we can grab some food, and now I'm at the sea. And I'm very happy to be here again. So the water is so clear. It's so beautiful. I am sitting at the sea right now, and I just went a little bit in the water. It's still very cold, so I only went with my feet in. But it's so energizing, and I just love the sea, even though I'm very afraid of it. Doesn't make any sense, but anyways, and now I'm chilling a bit and reading and enjoying some time with myself.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
Ja, she's working again. Ich drücke jetzt nie wieder auf Stopp. We are in Porridge right now, and it's so beautiful. I couldn't vlog earlier, so I vlogged with the phone. And now we are somewhere. Magdalena just recognized she was already here.
I've been here like multiple times. Over there's like a little island with a hotel on it. And back in the day when I was like 13, my mom and I used to come here, and it was the best thing ever.
And she was like,
I was literally, I was like in shock. Crazy.
It's so beautiful.
Oh my God.
You found the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Ich war schon so oft in Kroatien, aber ich bin dann immer dafür fast 2 Tage.
Good morning. So yesterday in the evening we went for the pool, and we are now doing some breathing techniques with the boys. And then they want to go in the pool too. Or before that, I'm not sure.
I think after.
After, but I'm not gonna go with them to this morning. Oh my god, I look so tired because of that and because I'm very cold.
Me too.
Was ist das hier?
Getting ready for the wave.
Lustig.
Zeit läuft. Okay, ich versuche jetzt tief einzuatmen und tief auszuatmen. So, wie werden, wenn wir so bestehen. Ja. Was haben wir?
Oh, so. Im Pool. Flexibel. Wasser, Wiese, Sand, Dreck.
So if you're wondering what we're doing, we are having a challenge, like a workshop kind of thing, and we have to create some ads like from the start, from content creation, brainstorming, blah blah blah, till the finished ad. And we just did the brainstorming and it went so good. We have like so good ideas and I'm so excited to get this shit started and very excited for the finished product. Oh my god, this light is amazing. So we're about to prepare everything we need and then we're off.
Packed. Let's go.
So this is our first location. It is so beautiful here.
First one, hiking. Oder?
Yes, let's put that on. It's so fun to do this challenge. We just talked about it because we are like both people who are like, we're the best at everything at first and
very
we're
driven and very...
Yes, exactly.
Sorry.
Nachvoll, es passt voll. Hello again. My camera wasn't able to vlog again. I don't know what's going on with her. I don't like that. But we are currently chilling. Because we're so fucking tired. We're almost done with filming all the stuff we need to film. But now we need a bike. And we have no idea where the hell to get a bike. And I'm just very exhausted right now. We already did like, I think 11 or 12, no, 13 videos. But anyways, so we're trying to find a bike now. And yeah. Okay. We want to go to this house to ask if they have a bike for us, but we have like no energy. Battery is low.
Even after food. But like it takes so much energy to it takes so much energy. Das Rauf. Oh mein Gott. Bleib stehen.
But no.
Tschüss.
Goodbye.
Sabine.
No. Du bleibst stehen.
Ist das super?
Aber die haben so abgebackelt.
Ja, aber die haben so viel Zeug mit.
Okay,
Die sind länger unterwegs.
there are some bikers.
Aber
But we cannot use their bikes because they're so
die sind
packed.
abgebackelt.
Ah.
Die sind abgebackelt, das ist Scheiß.
So we just went up to the sky and look who we got. We got the bike. And he was so nice. He literally also put some air in the tires and stuff. He's very nice. Okay, so we're now done with all the videos. Now we're cutting it and doing some voiceovers and stuff. So I am so freaking excited for all the outcomes because I have no idea what the others are doing, and it's just so nerve-wracking and very, very interesting. I'm very excited. Let's go! So we're finished with the workshop challenge kind of thing, and it was so fun. It was so exhausting but so fun, and to see what the other people created is very fun too. And now we're off to eat because I'm starving. Yes, queen.
Slay! Schauen wir nach, ob wir einen Haken sind. Okay, let's go. Ja, mega fair.
So cute.
Du warst das
Yes. Oder?
Nein.
Meines gefällt mir gut.
It's okay. Very nice. Don't stop, please.
Ganz gerne.
Ey, du kriegst auch nie eine
Aber
gute
wir
Antwort,
haben
oder?
jetzt so welche
Du kriegst ja nie eine große Portion, oder? Ja? Ah, okay, Harry. Ja?
Was?
Ich kenne den Text nicht, ich singe jetzt nicht, oder?
Das war schon nice.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in, you kicking me out. You got my head spinning, no kidding, and I can't pin you down. What's going on with that beautiful mind? How am your magical mystery right? And I'm so dizzy, the more hit me, I'll be alright. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me loves all
Good morning. So, day 2. Today we're doing some brainstorming, branding stuff. I'm very excited for that, and we will see. And in the evening we're going to do a beer pong challenge. But now I'm very ready for coffee. Entspannung noch.
Pack mal kleine.
Brainstorm sesh.
Your season of occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends. You only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you.
So this is basically it for this video, because I wasn't able to film more because my camera didn't work and I did not have any storage on my phone. So yeah, that's the end. It was a very nice time. I really appreciate the time and what I got to do for work and everything that happens in my life right now. It's just, I'm very blessed with it, and there is a lot of more things coming soon. I also filmed a bit of a working day and stuff like that, and it's gonna come soon, so stay tuned for the next vlog.